I began Moseley Technical Services because after working as a contract mechanical designer in the aerospace and defense industry, I recognized that a lot of companies were utilizing contract labor. It was at that point that I thought it would be a great idea to have a company that provided contract labor as well as provided engineering services at their facility as well. That company, Moseley Technical Services, was founded on September the 15th, 1994.
Carol and I started in an office in Hartselle. I don't know if anybody even knows that, but we had a non-compete with the company that we worked at before. And so we couldn't work within 30 miles of their office. So Jerry opened up an office for us in Hartselle. We started out by doing business development locally, and we stayed up till like 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, and we would bake cookies.
Because we had no money for marketing.
We had no money for marketing. And we took the cookies to our customers during the next day, because you know they would go bad. They have to be fresh.
When they were first getting started, when they would get a call too late at night for a design engineer, Jerry would go the next day because Jerry can do that. And so he would work that job when they couldn't fill it to keep the customers going and happy. That's just amazing.
We had just a few offices, and to see us grow and where we are today is, I feel lucky to be a part of that.
Governments, they asked us if we would support them in other states, and so sure, we were very glad to do that, and we became successful in doing that. And then one day we got a call from one of the largest defense contractors that is an international contractor. And then the phone call came in, and she says, "I've been hearing about Moseley. You need to call Moseley. You need to call Moseley." So I'm calling. And I told her what we did. I explained the customers that we supported. Then Carol and I got on a plane and we flew out and met with them. They gave us a contract, and we're actually still supporting them today. That was back in 2005. A couple of years after that, that same customer had a supplier conference, and so we went out there and we were part of that conference, and the lady that called me, she used us as an example, and she had pulled down a chart, and she said, "This little company in Huntsville, Alabama is supporting us with 35% of our contract labor." She said, you need to be looking at this company because they're your competition." And so that made us feel great.
And we were sitting there with all the big boys.
Yeah.
All the ones in the industry that placed thousands and thousands of people, thousands of
That was
contractors.
that was a great day.
That was a great day.
Yeah, Jerry was very excited about that.
The fact that we still send around cards for almost everyone we can when there's a sickness or a death, or including the birthdays, and send to people's families, that's huge.
A few years ago, we decided to go public with our faith. We would pray that God would open doors that we were supposed to go through, and that He would close doors that we were not supposed to go through. And we put on the wall that our purpose was to glorify God in everything we say and do. And after we did, that's my proudest moment here, is that on the wall. And now that everybody that comes in our office knows what we stand for without a shadow of a doubt.
I attribute Moseley's success to putting God first, hard work, determination, and having a great team. I believe if you surround yourself with like-minded people and couple that with providing great customer service, that's the recipe for success. Can't say enough about our team. As I always say, it takes all of us to run the Moseley machine.